Okay, today we will be unboxing and assembling the 2022 Canyon Endurace 7RB. Let's pop this bad boy out and get her assembled. Looks like this is our toolkit here. I think this comes with almost every Canyon bike. Alright, we got some assembly paste here. We've got our Torx wrench here, also with an Allen wrench. We've got a lovely little Canyon sticker here too. Hopefully that does not blow away on us. We've got a Canyon bag here too. Hope this stuff doesn't blow away. I'm going to put this stuff here in the bag actually. Of course we got to get a nice gust of wind the second we hit recording, eh? Anyway. Yeah, we got all of our Torx wrenches here, our different sizes. Our reflector case here, I guess. Yeah. Looks like we got all of our fancy reflectors in there. These are our hex wrench keys, different sizes. And that's all you're going to get, I believe, in this cardboard box here. Oh, and of course we got this. Woohoo, look at that. Look how thick that is. Our Canyon road bike owner's manual. Alright. See if we can get the bike onto the stand here. I don't want none of that stuff to blow away. Hopefully it stays put. Alright, we've got our saddle right here. Got our front wheel. Wow, is that light. This is the Schwabe L1 wheel. That is super, super light. Let's set this guy here aside. Oh wow. There she is. Oh, you know what? Let me torque on the saddle real quick. And then we're going to get this onto the bike stand along with the saddle. So we're going to take the 4mm hex head, throw it onto here. We're going to lightly put it onto the seat post. We're going to lightly install the seat post. We're not going to torque it just yet. Then we're going to get this onto the bike stand and we'll continue on from there. We're going to torque this to the proper Newton meters at the end. Let's just get it into the stand first. Alrighty. So let's make it face this way, I guess. Alright, I think we got it on there. This is legitimately my second time using this stand here, so bear with me here. Alright. Get this box out of the way. A few papers that we left down inside of the box there. This is just for the wheel here. Showing you how to use a quick release. This right here shows the torques, Newton meters for the stem and handlebars. And yeah, that's that for that. That's it for that, I should say. Front wheel there. I'm gonna keep that here for now. Okay, now we're going to throw some assembly paste on the stem portion here. Which way is upside down and which way is not? That's another thing I should have been keeping an eye on for. Which way does this guy go? How's our logo? Do the handlebars, make sure you read this correctly, because this thing, for the stem, it only goes on one way according to this picture. The GoPro just shut itself off because it was overheating. We are filming out here in the 30-degree heat here in southern Ontario. So we just got the handlebars mounted. Now we're going for the final few steps here. Just want to make sure these are matching for the wheel set here now. Don't forget your little springs here, of course. little too tight still. How's she looking so far, eh? Not too bad. Next we got to do our pedals here. We'll do this guy first, the left-hand side. Yes, we are installing flat pedals on a road bike, I know. I know. I'm probably going to get hammered in the comment section. He's installing flat pedals on his road bike. Well, first of all, this is indeed my very first. This is my very first road bike. And these pedals are supremely light. The pedals are only around 269 grams for the pair of them. And they're actually made of magnesium. So yeah, pretty good pedals. I'm gonna grease this guy up. Oh, those are nice and on there very well. Very well. Should we see how this thing shifts? Not bad, not bad.